All right, guys, I got the L-39 bound up, and we're ready to take off. The wind's coming from the water tower over there, so I'm gonna hand toss it towards this tall grass over here. That will help if something goes wrong. It'll land nice and gentle in that grass, hopefully. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna bring it back around. I am flying on 3S 1550, and it's flying nicely a little bit. You can see I got it kind of like in a safe mode. So here we go, we're out of safe mode. I got full control now. It's doing pretty gentle. I've got it pretty accurate on the CG. Let's bring it back around here. It's about half throttle. It's gliding nicely. Nice and level. I'm super happy with that. Bringing it around. Just trying to watch out for the lamp post here. We'll get it full throttle as we go over the church. Backing off the throttle. Nice and easy. It's super easy to fly, guys. I'm really impressed. Watching out for the lamp post, of course. The sun is bright. I do have some sunglasses on, and we got somebody here wanting to watch, so there's somebody behind me watching, but it's doing good. I might want to adjust my rates just a little bit. I got it on full rates and no expo, so this is full stick control for me. I'm flying up here at the front of the church because of the grass. I need to land in the grass. That sun is bright. It is climbing just a tiny bit, which is okay with me with this airplane. I do need to be able to get a decent flare when I come in for that landing. Nice roll. That looked really good. At full speed, it didn't have a wobble in the roll, so that's like no stick right there. It is gliding nicely. I'm bringing it around here. Super close between me and the light pole that I'm standing next to even. Pretty crazy. I'm impressed with how good this is flying, especially on the 3S 1550, I believe it is. Creeping back over here, get another pass really close. Now I might have forgot to set my timer to the 3 minutes that I usually fly, and I'm probably close to time. So let's get her lined up for a nice landing. Let's bank it around. We're gonna bring it towards me, kind of an angle from the corner of the church. There we go, nice and easy. I'm actually 0 on the sticks, on the throttle, letting it come in nice and easy. And it could have been a little easier, but let's see if I did any damage. Throttle cuts on. So it looks good. All I did was pop the canopy off. That'll let you guys see my placement on the battery. And yep, I don't see any damage. It did good, especially in this cold. You're always worried when you land in the cold if you're going to cause any damage, but it looks great. I could probably take it off again, but I think I might have went over on my time. So man, that L-39, what fun. I can't wait to get out and fly this thing again, and potentially we'll see what it's capable of. I have to check the speed controller and stuff. I know they recommend 3S, but I got a feeling that this will work with a 4S too, but I have to double check and make sure it's not going to cause problems for the speed controller or the motor. But yeah, it was flying great. I feel like I could really, with a little more room, and I'll take it to one of the clubs that I've joined, and we'll get it wide open in one of the second or third video. Can't wait to get this in the air again. So much fun. As always, I'll have these videos linked in the description box. And big thank you to the Lord for blessing me with a beautiful day to get out here, all this sun. And I appreciate all your guys' support. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.